Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing a reliable real-time voice changer and a virtual audio cable so Zoom can accept processed audio. Once installed, open Zoom settings and choose the virtual cable as your microphone input. Make sure your physical microphone remains connected but muted in Zoom to avoid doubling. You do this now because routing must exist before effects run, otherwise Zoom hears raw audio. Finally, launch your voice changer. Select the same virtual cable as its output, and prepare a preset so you can switch quickly. You now configure the effects inside the voice changer. Choose a preset or craft a custom profile by adjusting pitch, formants, and timbre to get the voice character you want. Make sure the software's output is set to the virtual audio cable so Zoom receives the modified signal. Enable low latency or real-time processing to avoid delay. This keeps conversation natural. Once done, use the preview or monitor feature to speak and listen back, and fine-tune EQ, reverb, or compression until the voice sounds convincing. You finish by joining a quick test Zoom meeting or using Zoom's test speaker and microphone tool to confirm the routed, processed audio is heard by others. Make sure your voice changer and Zoom both reference the same virtual cable. If participants hear raw audio, reselect that cable in each app. If you notice latency, echo, or clipping, reduce complex effects, enable lower sample processing, or increase the audio buffer slightly. One key tip: restart both apps if routing seems stuck, then recheck settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.